Welcome back. Big Gib NJ featuring Big Ken NJ. We are rolling out to Carbs and Coffee at Evermore Coffee Roasters out in Burlington. Should be pretty sick. For those that don't know, that's Kenny's Magna. Fully carbureted, fully badass. And you may not know this, but the Gib Glide is down. She's down bad right now. Oil pump was not doing oil pump things. So, but don't worry, it just means we're not putting anything stock back in it. So, I'm sure you're curious as to what bike I'm bringing. Oh, who's that? We're on the DR. That's right, we're bringing out the DR 200. Gonna be doing about 50, 55 the whole way there. As long as Kenny doesn't rear end me.
Nah.
Push me.
I'll put the cruise control on.
Yeah, you can put your foot up and push me a little faster. Nicole just woke up. All right, let's roll. We have arrived. Took us an hour because we stopped 4 times because this thing wasn't running right, and then I figured it out. Found out the front tire had 8 pounds of air in it. But we have arrived.
With bacon.
A lot of bikes. Good turnout, Ken, right?
Yeah.
Pretty solid.
A lot of people. Big line for coffee.
Yeah. Some sweet older stuff. Get a couple videos here. All right, we have arrived back. Spent a couple hours out there looking at a whole bunch of bikes. We had an uneventful ride home with the DR. Right, Kenny?
No.
Did you get a face full of black smoke this time?
No, not anymore. It cleared itself out, I'd say.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a quick oil change and probably change the plug and call it a wrap. So that is pretty much a wrap on Carbs and Coffee. We brought the 2 carbureted bikes in the fleet. And,
yup.
Yeah, so catch you next time.